Every missed call is money you already spent. Recover in minutes, not months. Because you're likely losing more to no-shows and missed calls than you actually think because you already paid for those leads. That sunk client acquisition cost, which is money you spent to start a conversation that never happened. Most businesses treat those moments as dead ends, but in reality, they actually are recoverable because money you didn't make is money you lost. And recovering those leads don't require more ads. It just requires faster follow-up, personal contact, and simple automation. So here are 2 automations that close this leak inside of HighLevel that you can start implementing today. First is the missed call text back system. And you set this up by configuring the missed text callback settings. Something like, hey John, saw we missed you. Want the next available spot? Grab it here, and then you put a booking link in. Yes, you want to tailor the current missed call text back message to make it more actionable, okay? And then you can even add a fallback to that where you can actually text them or reply call for a ring back in the next few minutes. So think about what just happened here. First contact should always happen under 5 minutes. The faster you respond, the more likely they'll still be in buying mode. From there, you set up a second automation, auto-reschedule in workflows. This is where you set the trigger. Appointment status equals no-show. Wait 30 to 60 minutes, then send this message combo. Hey, sorry we missed you earlier. Here's the fastest slot. Now, if there's no response in 24 hours, send a shorter follow-up. Something like, still want to connect? I can jump on a quick call if that's easier. Then at 72 hours, send your last chance message. Then move the contact to long-term nurture. You see, when they rebook, tag them as rescheduled and restart your reminders. 24, 12, 3 hours, automated, fully. Then add manual touches the night before, the morning of, and 60 minutes prior to the call. Speed drives the recovery. So book them the same day, the next day, or the day after. Heck, if they've already booked a call, if you have the time, call them and see if they can take an earlier call. Now, one agency ran this exact approach across their service clients. Nothing fancy, just speed and persistence. And within weeks, they saw a material lift in show rate and recovered thousands of sunk ad spend. They didn't end up buying new traffic. They simply stopped leaking the traffic they already had. Short, human, two-way messages did the heavy lifting. No fancy funnels required. Now, when you do this, your goal is to try to keep it as human as possible. You want to bring in their name, the date and time into every message. Increase any slot densities, perhaps maybe every 15 minutes if possible, so recovered leads can actually book. And then use two-way texting and email so the lead can reply naturally. You want to make the flow feel normal, okay? Then from there, now when you think about this full process, there's a lot of features involved. The phone features, workflows, calendars, text and email systems, as well as tasks for manual touches. So go ahead and set up both automations today inside your HighLevel account. And if you're looking to start one, go ahead and start a 30-day HighLevel trial using my links. And by doing so, I'll go ahead and include a 72-hour starter pack as a bonus to get these workflows running faster. And if you want other templates, scripts, and proof-based playbooks just like this one, join my community GHL Money Labs, because in this game, no just means not yet.